More about drones that will be used to help weather forecasters track data during hurricane season. As we first reported on 12 News Now at noon on WPRI 12, the drones, which look like surfboards, will be able to sail straight into hurricanes in ways people can't. They'll be used to gather critical data and provide earlier warnings to help people better prepare for potential storms. About 5 drones will be sent out to specific locations.
Now, here's your Pinpoint Weather 12 forecast.
Well, incredible technology. Speaking of weather instruments, the instrument that measures humidity is called a hygrometer. And one of the earliest hygrometers was actually a strand of human hair. And the change in length of that strand of hair will dictate if the atmosphere was dry or humid. So in the increasing humidity, your hair can sense the change in moisture in the air. Take a look outside. It's pretty muggy out there. Look at the fog in Newport. Normally you would see the Newport Pell Bridge in this picture, and it's just kind of socked in. So the fog is more prevalent along the coastline, and this will continue overnight through tomorrow morning. The dew points are high. There's a lot of moisture in the air. So you can see, further inland away from the ocean, the visibility, including Providence, is pretty good. But you go to the lower part of Narragansett Bay and along the south shore, the combination of high humidity and cool ocean water causes the low clouds and the fog, more so down along the coastline. Temperatures now in the 60s in most areas, upper 50s along the coastline, so mild and humid will stay in the 60s all night long. Off and on showers continue tonight right on through Friday early evening, even an isolated thunderstorm. But much like today, still feel as though on Friday there will be lulls, so there'll be periods where it's dry, you're able to get out and do something, but still keep an eye to the sky for a passing shower or thunderstorm. Summer really kicks in this weekend. Could it be the first heat wave? You need 3 consecutive days of 90 or higher, and we could do that Sunday through Tuesday and possibly Wednesday of next week. Even Saturday is pretty warm. All right, here's the next batch of showers in Connecticut River Valley and off to our west that'll be working in shortly. But there's more moisture off to our west in the mid-Atlantic, and all of this has to come through over the next roughly 18 to 24 hours. Temperatures now in the upper 60s to around 70, but watch the transition over to heat by a little bit on Saturday and more so Sunday through Tuesday and Wednesday of next week. Southerly flow of air, upper 80s to low 90s, a real change in seasons coming up this weekend. In the meantime, watch the forecast this evening and overnight. The gray represents the low clouds and fog. Around sunrise, a few light showers, some areas of drizzle. Take you into the afternoon. We're still mainly cloudy, mid to upper 70s, so very mild. 60s on the coastline, humid. Every now and then a passing shower. Late afternoon, a line of thunderstorms in Connecticut as it approaches tomorrow evening around 5, 6 o'clock into the weekend. But just keep in mind that between roughly 4 and about 7 o'clock in the evening, a line of showers and a rumble of thunder. Most of this should be gone by around 8, 9 o'clock tomorrow evening, with gradual clearing later tomorrow night. Clouds and fog tomorrow morning, mild and humid with an occasional passing shower, temperatures rising through the 70s. And then during the afternoon, around 70 along the coastline with thick fog inland. Actually, it's pretty mild in the mid to upper 70s. And again, as far as a shower or a thunderstorm, I'm leaning towards late afternoon into the early evening. Same situation in southeastern Massachusetts. Here comes the weekend and summer. Big warm up. 80s on Saturday, near 90 Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, potentially Wednesday of next week. Overnight low temperatures in the 60s and 70s. Still keep the umbrella nearby for Friday. I think once we get beyond 8 o'clock in the evening tomorrow night, we should be okay.
All right, Tony, thanks. Yeah.